Hey guys, it's me, Alicia, and today I'm going to try out warheads. I've already tried this one, but I'm going to show you guys me trying it. I'm so excited. I have not tried this one yet, and I have not tried the chewy cubes. In case if it's too sour, I got some water right here. And I got some water over there, but I don't think I'll need it. But first off, I'm going to put the spray because that's the easiest. So anyway, here we go. I sprayed 3 squirts all together. Did not take a break, but I really like this. Now I'm going to try the chewy ones because I can chew them. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, so I grabbed an orange one. This is actually not sour. This is good. Oh. This is not a super sour one. They say this is just sour. I don't think it's sour at all. It's actually really good. I like these. So far, I gave these two a yes. I love them. Now I'm going to see if I like these. It's like they say it's extreme sour. Let's see about that. No, I don't like lemon. Like, no, I don't like lemon. I'm going to do the black cherry. Whoa, wee. Okay. I'm going to take a drink. There we go. I already tasted it. It's sour. I'm like, okay, so here we go. That one's very sour. These are super sour. But for you guys, I'm going to try to get all this white off. All the white is causing it sour. So I'm going to try to get all the sour off. Almost done. So this is actually super duper sour. I kind of like it, but it's so sour. I'm going to try to eat more of it.